So this is a Marantz 7.1 AV receiver, very good condition, used in super excellent condition. You can use as a AV receiver or you can use as a 7.1 audio system. There is a 100 plus RMS per channel output. The remote is available, but that original remote is not with the product. So this is the condition of the product. You can just look at top side also. We will just show you from the back side also. Now this is, you can see the product is on condition. Very good price for the genuine buyers. Now we can just show you from back side. All the injected, neat and clean product. You can contact us over the WhatsApp for the more information and the price for this product. The product is available for Delhi NCR deliveries only. Thank you very much.